All right, we're out here today doing a repair at 5618 Sean Terrace. It's 90 degrees. We're gonna be replacing that shingle right there. But what I want to show is how complicated these repairs are going to be on this roof. So you see, to do this repair right here, to replace that wind damaged shingle, I'm gonna have to take off the ridge cap to do that repair. Because when you do a repair, you have to go 2 rows above it to get the nails out to pull that shingle out. So I'll have to take that off to do that repair. The other complication with that is overlapping felt on the hip and ridge to do the repair up to code with manufacturer specifications. So as you see here, have to remove this whole ridge cap as well, because you have multiple ones on this slope that I would need to take off the ridge cap to do the repair properly and up to code. So now we're gonna go back down here and go ahead and start this repair on this shingle right here. And as you can see, as of right now, there's no damages on the shingles above it. And we're gonna be replacing that shingle right there. We got the crowbar. And if you were wondering, it is extremely hot today. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start this repair. Oh, we got a tear here already. Right. And look, I'm just trying to get this unsealed, and as you see, you already have delamination starting. Just trying to get out of here. And see here, have more delamination. The problem with delamination is the shingle will never seal back down properly right there. So it's just gonna cause more wind damage in the future, which is what y'all just paid for. So let's see that again. Y'all are just gonna pay for more shingles from doing all the shingles that you guys just paid for. More delamination on that shingle right here. A rip right here. You see that? I don't want to touch with my hand, but as you see that right there. I'm being extremely gentle with this shingle here. Just trying to get it unsealed, just so I can get the nails out.